Hi everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix your problem. Problem is that your flashlight is not working in your iPhone, maybe iPad. Just like that, I'm going to scroll down and just tap on a flash and see that it's on a tab, and also my flash is working. So in this case, in your case, it's not working in your phone on your iPhone. So how to fix here, that is simply just go back and simply just go to settings of your iPhone, and you have to make sure that you have a updated version of iOS in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So make sure that just go to software update and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, simply just scroll down and also just transfer reset ammo. Just tap on that and just tap on reset. And just reset all settings and also tap on reset settings. After that, simply just go back. Again, back and just simply just go back and simply just turn off your iPhone. Just tap a power button and a volume button. Just press both and you see that they show the toggle of light to power off. Just power up your iPhone and get on. Thanks for watching.